Yeah, hi. Uh, Real-time object tracking and shortest path finder in a real-time application. In this project, we are using an transformer power supply or battery power source. So transmitter unit, I'm using one camera. So PC, I'm running the MATLAB code. So here I'm connected to the ZigBee module. This is in transmitter section, and here I'm using an receiver which was connected to the 80 mega 16 and the ZigBee module. It was displayed on the right, forward, back, left, right. It should be displayed on the 16 cross 2 LCD, and here I'm using an L293D driver IC and two DC motors I'm using. Okay. So let us going into the hardware part. So here I'm using an camera, JPEG camera. So normally it was connected to the computer of USB, and here I'm running the MATLAB code. Okay, so this is the MATLAB code which we are getting the output from them COM1, and we are using an MATLAB code. So it will give you the output in the form of left, right, back, forward, and what are the values coming from the serial. So that serial output we are using the ZigBee UART. So here it was connected to the ZigBee module of the UART cable computer, and here I am using a transformer power source, bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, and the ZigBee. It was send the data to the ZigBee. Another, it was connected to the robot. Here ZigBee module, we are using an bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, and here I am using an 80 mega 16 microcontroller. So which was connected this microcontroller. So it will connected to the L293D. L293D is the driver IC to drive the DC motors. Here I am using an two DC motors. Okay, here and here the ZigBee module. So whatever the data it is coming from the output, the object exact where it is forward, backward, left, right. So it is showing object tracking system. Okay, when the object tracking system, it will read the values from the receiver. When I'm showing one obstacle or some ball or obstacle, so it is showing that, so the value should be okay. So it will give you the output value on that. So it will send you like it is going a backward. Okay, now okay. So when I'm the object should be right, you can observe that right. Okay, you need to observe it right. Otherwise, if you are going for a left, some distance, left, back, okay, like that, it will give you the output values. Okay, so whatever the output, it will read from the camera. It will show you the output what it is exactly, and the object it will track now. It will give you this is the object, so it will go you for the forward direction. So like that we will capture the object identifier. It will give you the forward, backward, left, right, and then there is no object, we need to stop the vehicle. Okay, thanking you. If there is any doubt, let me know to SVS Embedded.